Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this light lavender purple sparkly makeup look. To start this look, I'm going to be using tape on the edges for a clean look when it's removed. And all the eyeshadows I'm using today are coming from the Garden of Juvia's Place palette. And first we're starting with the color Sweet Lilac, and I'm putting this in the outer corners and the crease. Next, I'm using the Lilac You shade, which is a little bit lighter and pinker. And I'm going to be using this to blend out the previous color. Next, I'll be using the purple Orchid shade. And I'm applying some water to the brush before dipping it in the eyeshadow. And I'm putting this on the outer corners of the lids. Next, I'm using the Flower Child sparkly shade. And I'm putting this one in the middle of the eye. And I also added some water to the brush before applying. You're also going to want to blend into the previous darker color on the edges. Next, I'm using the Blooming Pink Sparkly shade for the inner eye corners. Then I'm removing the tape and cleaning up any edges. Then using the first shade that I used, I'm going under the eye waterline. Next for the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm topping this with false lashes. And for the lips, I'm using the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lip in the shade Embellishment. And that completes this light lavender purple sparkly makeup look. This was my first time using this Juvia's Place palette, and I really loved all the colors in it. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.